cowards in the game, it done turned my face sour. Like a Sour Patch Kid that I just devoured. Hold up, wait a second, no maybe an hour. It's gonna take a while for me to address all these cowards. Half of these niggas out here be lame as shit. The other half is whack, and I don't give a fuck about you, bitch. Niggas keep calling me like, why is my girl texting you? I don't give a damn, you just mad cause she won't have sex with you. For me, I'm on a whole nother level. I ain't worried about you, I'm trying to develop these pictures of the devil. To see if I can get in that same clique with Eminem and them. Them boys don't want it with me, cause I deliver them. Hits to your face and your temple, I'm mental. You don't want it with me cause I give you another dimple. Talking about elbows to your nose. Broke that. Boys don't want it with me, you gay, just like Brokeback Mountain. What can I be climbing? Boys don't want it with me. I'm sick with all this rhyming, shining like the sun down upon me. The boys don't want it with me cause I pour an ass whipping upon thee. Yeah, I'm something like a Humvee, sitting comfy. Niggas don't want it with me. I eat beef for lunch meat. Huh. Niggas hungry like I ain't eating weeks. You niggas just little sheep and I'm hurting. No matter of fact, I'm hurdling. Them boys don't want it with me. You something like an underling. You under me. You ain't even worth my trouble. You boys don't want it with me because I'm burst your bubble. You better hush. I'm telling you right now. I'm the type of dude, put his hands up, you won't fight now. Now you gonna run and go and tell your friends. They gonna tell some more friends and y'all gonna come back again. And even when y'all come back, it won't matter. Cause I'll have something that'll make your whole house shatter. Yeah, I'm coming with bazookas and napalm. You don't want it with me cause you ain't never seen a spray bomb? Yeah, I got guns that shoot those. You don't want it with me cause you whack producing hoes? Can't make a beat to save your life, but you wanna call me and ask me to wreck it right? You can't wreck that right. You can't even wreck that wrong. It's a garbage ass song. You need to go back home. Go back to the chalkboard and write something else up. Hold up. You need me some help, bruh? Well, I will help ya. Yeah, here's my number. Call me up and I'll tell you what the hell sucks, bruh. And me, I'm something like a pimp. You something like a lame. Walk with a limp and a dip. I'm all about my damn chips, and I'm not talking Pringles. I came like Grinch, knocking over the head of Kris Kringle. I took his presents from him while he was on the roof at the chimney. I smoking like a chimney, have you mince me up, shred you up, and I don't give a what? This ain't Nori, but I guess you niggas want to hear my story. This ain't no story of no faded glory, and if a nigga talk down the picture, it get real gory. You don't want it with me, I drop bombs on G's, not OGs, cause I'm the only OG that these eyes can see. And if you ain't looking at me, don't even try to speak, cause you can't see nothing like me. What I be is putting you on the IV and the IC. You ain't stupid. You better off going and playing songs like Cupid Shuffle on your iPod Shuffle. You don't want it with me cause you boys sweeter than truffles. And I'm the nigga that you don't want to stare down, cause I'm a nigga that you can't even glare down. Cause if you stare or glare in my direction, I'll smack you with a king-size direction. We call that my ding-a-ling, or bling-a-ling swinging. And boys don't want it with me cause I don't even mention them names in my decipher. Them boys don't want it with me cause I'm spitting lyrics that they cannot decipher. So what's the meaning behind all this hating? My occupation is nothing but stacking my papers, my funds. Yeah, that's all I live for. Got children, all I gotta do is feed those. And if they eatin', then the whole family good. You are not hood, but you wish you would. Roll down the hood street on the hood block with a hood glock, with a hood dude like me. I'm eating good food, getting my weight up. You niggas is fake, nigga, you need to wake up. Cause if you even dream of putting your hands on me, I'll make you wake up and apologize. You niggas talking all this shit, you need to get back before you get slapped and smacked back into the time before land was even invented. You niggas be talking down, but I don't give a damn cause I'm leaving you with no traces of evidence. So ain't no way to come and see it. Them boys don't want it with me cause you couldn't even be it if you tried.